the birth of every icon is a vision that exists beyond time. Forever looking forward, we seek the place where great ideas are formed. By imagining the future, we define the present. Timeless design requires enduring principles. These allow us the freedom to innovate and create. Proportions, the 2-to-1 ratio, a formula that is written in our DNA. The proportion of wheel to body height creates our signature profile, one that has defined every Rolls-Royce since the first Silver Ghost. Figure. These 3 fluid lines map the elegance of our form. Waft line, waistline, silhouette. A simple triptych whose delicate balance defines the character of every Rolls-Royce model. Signature. The iconic grille, linking past to present. A symbol of arrival, crowned by the spirit of ecstasy. Forever challenging the boundaries of design and technology, these are the foundations on which icons are built. Elevating the experience of travel, harnessing new energy sources, and defying expectations of what makes an icon. We set new benchmarks for what is possible, and there is always more beyond the horizon. Our vision is clear. Onwards.